PV raised to x is equal to constant. Polytropic, right? Yes, sir. Let's see how the graph looks like. Let's consider the default mode right now, expansion. That means volume is increasing, right, sir? Do you agree with all these details? Is the polytropic isobaric for x equal to 0? Yes. Isothermal for x equal to 1? Yes. Adiabatic for x equal to gamma? Yes. And as x tends to infinity, it is isochoric. Is this the first graph which I have drawn? Is it isobaric? Each and every process is from same volume initial to same volume final. Okay. Is this isothermal? Oh, okay. Mind you, consider the form. The format is PV raised to x. So at x equal to 0, the graph was a straight line. At x equal to 1, that means as the power of the x increased, the graph got steeper. If n is more than 1, it's like this. Gamma is definitely more than 1. Niche. And isochoric, infinity, absolute 0. Oh, wow. Wow. Okay, hold on. Sir, you mean to say, if I go from this volume to this volume, same initial state to the same volume, ऐसे, है ना? Yes, sir, ऐसे. And you are saying that if the initial volume is same to the final volume and the first process is PV raised to x1 equal to constant and the second process is PV raised to x2 equal to constant, then you are saying that x2 and x1 first of all are positive. Yes, because kahani kahan shuru hui? 0. Second, x2 is more than x1. 110%, I mean that. Hold on. Again, you are saying that for PV raised to x equal to constant format, at x equal to 0, the graph is a straight line. Right, sir. Okay, sir. Can I do one more thing? If I go upar, are the process x negative? 100%. How beautiful is that, yaar? PV raised to x equal to constant. You made the index of pressure as 1. Bhul jao. At 0, line. So all the positive numbers, the graph keeps on going down. All the negative numbers, the graph keeps on going up. More positive it is, more steeper the graph is. But sir, how do I remember this? That the more steeper it is and the more steeper the graph is? Remember that at the highest value of x, that is infinity, it's vertical. Do you need something else to remember? Look at na baba. At x equal to infinity, it is almost a straight line. So isn't the slope infinite there? Correct, sir. So PV raised to x equal to constant mein, more positive the value of x is, more positive, more magnitude positive, more steeper it is. So if I do the standard comparison between adiabatic and isothermal, whose slope is steeper? Well, we know for a fact gamma is more than 1. Adiabatic slope is steeper. Good, bingo. Whoever's slope is steeper will be below, yes sir. That means area under the isothermal curve is more than area under the adiabatic curve. Yes sir. So, for the same expansion volume difference, isothermal work is guaranteed more than adiabatic work. How is that? Nice, sir. है ना? But what if I go compression? Sir, if you go compression, this is going to happen. This time, adiabatic work in magnitude will be more than isothermal. Arey baba, but if you put the minus sign, it's the same result again. नहीं समझे? नहीं समझा sir. 3 is more than 2. Yes, sir. But minus 3 is less than minus 2, na? Oh, wow. So you are saying adiabatic work, is safe to say that adiabatic work is more than isothermal work? No, ulta. Isothermal work is more than adiabatic work, whether it's expansion or compression. But if you want the magnitude part, Yes, adiabatic area will be more in the compression case. But do not forget to add the minus sign. So, देखो, listen. So, sir, why did you do this? Okay, hold on. I want you to take the area part separately and the sign part separately. Okay, so now if you want, write down. For expansion, isothermal area under the curve is more than adiabatic area under the curve. For compression, adiabatic area under the curve is more than isothermal area under the curve. But when you make the area into work, you add a sign, and you have to be careful because expansion sign is positive and compression sign is negative. I rest my case. Got it? Got it, sir. Again telling you. You start from here. Take. If polytropic exponents are x1, x2 and x3, not only all are positive, x1 is less than x2 is less than x3.